Okay, so we are looking at kind of a quick little review. We're doing midpoint and distance formula. So our midpoint formula maybe you remember it from geometry, is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this tells you you need 2 ordered pairs, and you're just finding the middle point. All right. So your answer will be an ordered pair. Okay. I haven't put the paper up there yet. Okay. Sweet. Now, the next one we have is our distance formula. Okay. And distance is equal to x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And then you're going to take the square root of that. And this is going to give us the opportunity to practice simplifying radicals. Some of you still need that. All right. So, again, you need 2 ordered pairs to do this. And this gives us the distance of our line segment. Okay, so that means we're looking for a positive result because distance has to be positive. Okay, let's see. It doesn't matter when you're given the 2 points, it doesn't matter which one's y2 or x2, just as long as you keep them in order. So if this is your ordered pair, they're going to be x2, y2. And then the other ordered pair is going to be x1, y1. Okay? All right, now, so let's give it a couple practice ones. Let's do 5, 2, and let's do 7, 8. So I'm going to pause it here, give you the opportunity to do midpoint and the distance formula, okay? All right, so midpoint, we did 5 plus 7 divided by 2, which is 12 divided by 2, which is 6. For the y, I did 2 plus 8, which is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the midpoint is 6, 5. We did the distance formula. So we did 7 minus 5, 8 minus 2. So respectively, it gives me 2 and 6. I square that, that's 4 plus 36. Square root of 40, well, we said that is 4 times 10, so square root of 4 is 2. Can't reduce the square root of 10, so it just gives us 2 square roots of 10. Yay! Questions? Silence. I'm worried about the silence. Okay, here's your next example, and I'm going to throw you some negatives. Okay? Okay, so we did the midpoint. You should have gotten 1, negative 1. And then your distance formula, you should have gotten 2 square root of 212. I'm talking about how to reduce the square root. Okay? So I'm first going to try it with an even value, which is 4. All right? So 4 into 212 gives me 53. Okay? 53, I'm pretty sure is prime. Okay? Now, this is a square. This is a perfect square, right? So what's the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2, right? Square root of 4 is 2. What's left inside the radical? 53. So 2 square roots of 53. Okay? All right. So I'm going to give you negative 1, 4. And I'm going to give you 2, negative 3. I want you to, of course, find the midpoint and distance formula. Then I want you to find 2, 3, 3, negative 3, 1. Same thing there, okay? And then I get to see your guys' work. All right, so these are the two examples. Here's my midpoint. Here's my distance formula for that first example. And then down here, I got negative 1/2 and 2, and then the square root of 29 as my distance, okay? All right. Any questions from the class? Any questions? Any questions from anybody at online? Nope, I liked it. Okay, I need to upload the program or the paper at home or on the unified classroom. So I'll do that here in a second. But that's pretty much the notes. We're just practicing midpoint and distance formula. Just to kind of let you know, we probably want to practice completing the square, okay? Because you're going to want to be able to complete the square when we start doing parabolas and all that other fun stuff, okay? Okay, and then plus it's going to get a lot harder. I got panic looks. Okay, I'll talk to you. I guess I won't see you until Thursday. So I'll let you go.